Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to change your canvas size in Photoshop. There's a few ways. First, you can go to properties. If it's not here, you can go to window and click on properties here. Okay, now you go to properties and you can link this to make the ratio the same, or you can unlink it and just change it. Let's try to change it to like 280. As you can see, it changes. And then if you want to change it to vertical, you can also change it. Proceed. There you go. And you can also go back. Alright, so that's the first way. And the second way is the way that I use the most, which is you go to your image and you go to canvas size. And you can change it from here. Let's change it back to 1920. And then click OK. Proceed. And yeah, it is back to normal. So I guess that's it for today, guys. If you have any questions, you can just ask me and leave them in the comments down below, and I'll try to answer all of them. Thanks for watching.